A bad boss is the single biggest source of stress at work for most employees. If your boss is making you miserable, but you're not ready to throw in the towel just yet, I've got a few strategies to help you handle the situation and make your time at work more tolerable. Dealing with a difficult boss is complicated. And let's set things straight, some behaviors are simply unacceptable. If you feel your boss has crossed a line, then talking to HR, transferring departments, or finding a new job where you are valued and respected really might be the best course of action. In the meantime though, here are a few tips to work around the behavior of a bad boss. The first step is to assess the situation. Is this a temporary challenge or is it a recurring issue? Try to understand your boss's perspective, their workload, pressures, and expectations. By cultivating empathy, you may be able to better understand your boss and find common ground for communication. Next, try talking to your boss directly. Schedule a one-on-one meeting to discuss your concerns. Instead of outright blaming your boss for their bad behavior, use I statements to express how you feel. For example, when you want to say, "You're always taking credit for my ideas," try, "I don't feel like I'm getting the recognition I deserve for my work," and be prepared to give an example or two. This will open the door to a constructive and solution-oriented conversation. It's also important to set clear boundaries, whether that's in terms of workload or behavior. Politely but firmly establish what you can and cannot tolerate. Be specific about the behaviors that are causing issues and propose alternative approaches that would work better for both parties. Here's an example of an email you can send to your boss. "Hi Dan, I wanted to let you know about an important change I need to make. As you know, I have a new baby and I'm quite busy at home. I can no longer take calls about projects after 5 p.m. If you need to reach me, please send me an email and I will respond first thing the next morning. Thank you for understanding." If you're dealing with a toxic boss, rational conversation might not work. In that case, now's the time to start documenting incidents. Keep a record of dates, times, and details of problematic interactions with any written proof like emails or messages. This documentation can be valuable if you need to escalate the matter to another supervisor or HR. They may be able to help you transfer to another team or department with a different manager. Dealing with a boss who stresses you out can be emotionally draining, so make self-care a priority. Ensure you have a healthy work-life balance, engage in activities you enjoy outside of work, and consider talking to a counselor or coach for additional support. A difficult boss can be tough, but it's not a dead end. By following the steps we've discussed, you can navigate this challenge with resilience and professionalism. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more career advice and expert tips for your professional journey.